Yo, this is absolutely insane. Ford just did the unthinkable. They teamed up with the ultimate drift king, the legend himself, Vaughn Gittin Jr., to build a factory-warranted drift missile. This is not a drill. This is the 2026 Ford Mustang RTR, and it is built from the ground up to slide. This is history, people. Ford never does this. The article says the only other time they co-developed a Mustang like this was with Carroll Shelby. That tells you the level we're playing at. Vaughn Gittin Jr. is the new Shelby, and this is his signature on a full factory-built machine. This isn't some aftermarket kit. This beast is rolling right off the main production line in Flat Rock, Michigan, ready to rock. So how does it drift? Oh, it's got the cheat codes, baby. It comes standard with the electronic drift brake. You see that sick handle powder-coated in hyper lime? You just grab that and rip it. But it's not just the brake. The whole car is tuned for it. They spent 3 years dialing this thing in. The track mode stability control is tuned to let you get way more sideways, and the MagneRide dampers have a unique calibration just to foster perfect smoky drifts. And the hardware? It's just stacked. This thing is a parts bin superhero. It stole all the best bits from its big brothers. It's got the massive 6-piston front and 4-piston rear Brembo brakes from the GT Performance Pack. It's got the GT steering rack for way tighter turns and adjustable strut top mounts to dial in your camber for the track. And to keep it super stiff and responsive, it ripped the anti-roll bars and the entire rear subframe straight from the top dog Dark Horse. This chassis is dialed in. Now let's talk about the engine. Yeah, it's the EcoBoost, but this is not your rental spec Mustang. This thing has anti-lag. This is tech straight from the Le Mans winning Ford GT and the Raptor. What does it do? When you lift off the gas to set up a drift, the throttle stays open. It keeps that turbo spooled and screaming. The instant you get back on the gas, boom, instant power, zero lag, just pure uninterrupted boost to keep you sideways. The base tune is 315 horsepower, but that anti-lag makes it feel alive. But if that's not enough for you, there's an optional dealer-installed Ford performance tune that cranks it up to 350 horsepower and a massive 400 pound-feet of torque. In a car this light and balanced, it's going to be an absolute rocket. And you'll look incredible doing it. This thing is pure aggression. It gets the Mustang GT front end, but with that signature RTR grille with the illuminated nostrils. How sick is that? The driver's side one feeds directly into the airbox. It's got the GT Performance wing on the back and those unique 19-inch RTR wheels in that mean, tarnished, dark anodized finish. And if you're bold, you can get the Hyper Lime package, the calipers, the graphics, all in that high-vis color. Inside, it's just as special. You open the door, you see the RTR illuminated sill plates. You get a serialized RTR dash plaque. You get that Hyper Lime stitching everywhere, and even Hyper Lime seat belts. Even the screens are custom, with Tron-inspired graphics when you start it up. This is the ultimate thrill ride for a new generation. Ford and RTR are bringing drifting to the masses with a factory-built, warranted car that looks incredible and has the hardcore tech to back it up. This is a game changer. The 2026 Mustang RTR is an absolute beast, and I cannot wait to see this thing shredding tires. You don't want to miss this beast. Hit subscribe to Asphalt 99 for more insane car content.